Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students and respected parents, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to start lesson number 4 of Unit 2 of Iqra Applied Grammar Book 3. Let's start the proceedings of the lesson with the feedback segment. So I'll give you the feedback of the homework that was given to you by me yesterday. And the homework was, look at the table given below. Answer the questions with past continuous passive. आपको होमवर्क दिया गया था, आपने इस टेबल को देखना था, इस टेबल के अकॉर्डिंगली आपने इन क्वेश्चंस को आंसर करना था एंड योर आंसर शुड बी इन द पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस पैसिव वॉइस. सो दिस एक्सरसाइज हैज बीन सॉल्व बाय मी फॉर योर असिस्टेंस. आपके असिस्टेंस के लिए इस एक्सरसाइज को सॉल्व कर दिया गया है. आई होप दैट if there is any mistake in your practice of this exercise, you will correct it and you will get the right options. Let's start with the first question, the second question, because the first question has already been done and has been discussed by us the day before. The first question is, what was happening at 9 o'clock? And the answer is, the zoo was being opened by Jamil at 9 o'clock. Third question is, what was happening at 9:30? And the answer of the question is, the visitors were being shown into a snake house by Jamil at 9:30. Question number 4 is, what was happening at 11 o'clock? The lions were being fed by Jamil at 11 o'clock. Question number 5 is, what was happening at 12 o'clock? The giraffe was being washed by Jamil at 12 o'clock. What was happening at 5 o'clock? The elephant was being photographed by Jamil at 5 o'clock. And the last question, what was happening at 6 o'clock? The zoo was being closed at 6 o'clock. I hope that you have done this exercise in the same way. आपने इसको ऐसे ही किया होगा. आपने पैसिव वॉइस के पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस पैसिव वॉइस के स्ट्रक्चर को ऐसे ही अप्रोप्रिएटली यूज किया होगा. अगर कहीं कोई मिस्टेक रह गई है, आप उसको दुरुस्त करेंगे एंड यू विल कंप्लीट दिस एक्सरसाइज, और आप इस एक्सरसाइज को कंप्लीट करेंगे. नाउ इट्स टाइम टू मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट सेगमेंट ऑफ दिस यूनिट, which is learn to speak segment. But as you know that before moving to that segment, we have a box in which we have vocabulary and the box is called word bank. ये word bank है, इसमें vocabulary है, and that vocabulary is sufficient helpful for us while conducting this activity learn to speak. ये हमें assist करती है learn to speak activity के अंदर. So I'll read out the verbal phrases for you. ये जो हमारे verbal phrases यहाँ है, मैं उनको read out आपके लिए करूँगा और we'll try our level best to use these verbal phrases into our learn to speak activity. So let's start the reading of the word bank. Play cricket, make fun, throw a ball, wash hands, drink coffee, plan a lesson, manage a classroom, take an assessment test, watch TV, supervise the students, take dinner, make jokes, take rest. The vocabulary is quite easy. Now start the learn to speak segment, which is very important segment of this unit. जैसा कि आपको पता है, you have to find a partner for this segment, and that partner may be your father, mother, brother or sister. जो आपको easily available है partner, आप उस partner के साथ इस activity को conduct करेंगे. Now students, as you can see that we have 4 options in this segment. I'll read out these options for you and I'll provide you the possible answers of these statements. मैं आपको इनके possible answers भी बताऊंगा. I'll demonstrate it for you, but this demonstration is for your assistance. When you conduct this activity at home with a partner, you'll never repeat my responses. My responses is for your assistance, but not for you to copy it. आपने इसको कॉपी नहीं करना है, आपने उससे हेल्प लेनी है और अपने जो है वो एक्सप्रेशंस को क्रिएट करना है और जनरेट करना है. एंड द फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज टेल 3 थिंग्स दैट आर बीइंग डन बाय योर फ्रेंड्स नाउ. एज यू कैन सी दैट ये जो स्ट्रक्चर है ये प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस पैसिव वॉइस का स्ट्रक्चर है. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, ये प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस पैसिव वॉइस का स्ट्रक्चर है, तो इसके जो आंसर्स होंगे वो भी प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस पैसिव वॉइस में ही होने चाहिए. एंड द पॉसिबल आंसर्स शुड बी cricket is being played by my friends now. Second, coffee is being drunk by my friends now. And third, hands are being washed by my friends now. जैसे कि आपने देखा मैंने प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस का स्ट्रक्चर यूज किया पैसिव वॉइस का, चूंकि जैसी स्टेटमेंट में पूछा गया था उसके अकॉर्डिंगली ही मैंने पैसिव वॉइस का स्ट्रक्चर यूज किया. सेकेंड ऑप्शन, टेल 3 थिंग्स दैट आर बीइंग डन बाय द टीचर टुडे. इट्स ऑल्सो प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस पैसिव स्ट्रक्चर. इसमें भी हमारे जो रिप्लाईज होंगे दैट विल बी इन द प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस पैसिव वॉइस. एंड द पॉसिबल आंसर शुड बी फॉर द स्टेटमेंट नंबर 2, a lesson is being planned by my teacher today. A classroom is being managed by my teacher today. An assessment test is being taken by my teacher today. Now move on to the third option. Tell 3 things that were being done by your siblings last night. Now this structure in the past continuous passive voice और हमारे responses भी past continuous passive voice में होंगे. यानी जिस स्ट्रक्चर की स्टेटमेंट या क्वेश्चन पूछा जाएगा हमारा आंसर भी उसी स्ट्रक्चर या स्टेटमेंट में होना चाहिए. And the possible answers or replies for this statement should be dinner was being taken by my siblings last night. TV was being watched by my siblings last night. Jokes were being made by my siblings last night. The fourth option, tell 3 things that were being done by your classmates during the break time. Now you have to find the options for your replies, and the possible answers should be lunch was being taken by my friends during break time. Rest was being taken by my friends during break time. Games were being played by my friends during break time. So dear students, I have demonstrated the answers of these statements for you, for your assistance. You will do that activity at home carefully and attentively. Now it's time to move on to the next segment, which is a homework segment. Learn to write. Learn to write is a homework segment that we'll do on your homework notebooks. आप इनको अपनी notebooks पे करेंगे. As you can see that in this segment we have 2 options, A or B, A and B. Option A is write 8 sentences on the things that are being done by your friends in the school. And the option B is write 8 sentences on the things that were being done by your family members last Sunday. First exercise A जो है learn to write में, that is in the present continuous passive and B is in the past continuous passive. आपने 8 sentences लिखने हैं and I hope that there will be no difficulty for you. आपके लिए कोई difficulty नहीं होगी. While writing the sentences you have done a lot of things, a lot of practice throughout the unit, and it will be an easy task for you. So it's time to say goodbye. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.